Hello all. IELTS reading tips. Both IELTS reading tips, academic and general training, the aim is to assess the following skills such as to assess for guessed, main ideas, detail, understanding inferences and implied meaning, a writer opinion, attitudes and purpose, the development of an argument. Let us see the difference between the academic and general reading. The main difference is that the text taken from journals, magazines, books, newspapers in academic reading is related to general interest topics written for non-specialist audience. When you come to the general reading, the text taken from advertisements, booklets, leaflets, manuals, notices, newspapers, magazines are texts related to everyday life, work and general interest. Let us see the tips and tricks in reading. Do not spend too much time on its sections. Read magazines, advertisements, articles, daily life and British news. Practice, practice and practice. Make your score chart and do at least one general or academic reading test daily and evaluate your band score on daily basis. Know your weakness and learn from your weakness. Next, the IELTS reading tips. They are skimming. Skim the reading and questions first. That is, each sections you get some paragraph. So try to understand by passive reading. You don't have to spend much time in reading the paragraph. So make the habit of skimming the paragraph. Next trick is that, however, do what works for you. Some students complain like, one teacher told me to do it this way, but another told me to do in another way. But this is fine. People read in different ways. So try to find out what works for you. What works for me may not work for you. That is, find a solution for yourself. Read the instructions carefully. This is very important, because if the question is for true and false, and in the answer paper if you write yes, no, then you can't score the mark. Take care with spelling and grammar. Move on if you don't know the answer. The questions and answers are given in a sequence according to the paragraph. If you don't find the answer from paragraph A, immediately jump to the paragraph B. Highlight key words in the text. This is very important. For example, names of people, places, things. Beware of synonyms. You may not get the same synonym in the question, but try to make the meaning. Next, guess the meaning from context. That is important. Understand the main ideas. Move down the text as your answer questions. That is, go in a sequential manner. Learn the skills of skimming and scanning. Read some parts of the text in detail. Start practice test very slowly. If you are not a frequent reader, you can start practicing the text slowly. Don't try to jump, because within a day, within a week, you can't achieve the target of reading test. You have to go very gradually. Next, gradually increase your speed when you practice. Next, spend 20 minutes on each reading. It should not exceed more than 20 minutes. You have to set a target of 15 minutes. then you will be able to finish by 20 minutes. And within this 20 minutes, there are 3 sections for each module. So each section 20 minutes. So within that 20 minutes, try to transfer the answer sheet. You don't get any extra time. Practice with interesting text. Thank you.